What's good, peoples? It's your boy DP out here in this cold ass weather. This truck's not good. Just came from midnight release. It's dark as hell. I wish I could put some light on. It's dark as hell in here. Y'all can see me a little bit. Just came from Foot Locker. You know what I mean? Shout out to the people from Foot Locker for hooking me up. Latest cop. I don't know if we got some light on this shit. Get us some light in it. That's what's up. Video coming later on. Now, excuse me, I got to warm up. Easy.